Today Eva from Focus Machinery is going to introduce one type of food packing machine. It's to pack the ice products. This system is for our customer who need to pack the ice seal, and it consists of the inclined conveyor and the wheel and the platform, vertical packing machine, finished product, and the rotary table. So let me start from this conveyor first. Inclined angle is up to 90 degrees because our customer need to use this system in a very small workshop, so we need to save the space as much as we can. This hopper is to collect the full conveyor from customers. What we use is the modular belt. This material, we call it PE, is the low temperature resistant. It can bear the temperature which can up to be -20 Celsius degrees to -10 Celsius degrees. And later we can see these holes on the conveyor. In the ice workshop, it's very cold and sometimes it will get icy on the conveyor. So these holes are very convenient for customer to check the back side of the belt and to clean the conveyor inside. Because in a very wet workshop, sometimes there will be a water drop from the conveyor. So we need this double layer to prevent the water drop. Later you can see this control panel, and this is a variable tool, and you can see this is to adjust the speed, and this is the e-stop and stop button and the run button, and the in-tune button. It means the conveyor will move in a very short distance. It's for the normal maintenance if customer need. And let me show you inside. Here is the VFD. It's for the speed adjustment. If something happens accidentally, you can see there is a water resistant e-stop easily. You can open it in a very short time, and broker press it, the conveyor will stop. It's the 14 hands weigher, and weighing hopper is 2.5 liters. The ice product from customer is 90 millimeters long, and the diameter is also the 90 millimeters. So it's a bit large. And so we need to use the 2.5 liters weighing hopper, and this hopper has double door, can open at the same time, so we don't need to use the product getting stuck problem. Firstly, let me introduce this pneumatic baffle. Because the ice is slippery and wet, and even if the linear pan stop vibrating, sometimes the ice will slide off into this storage hopper. So we will need this pneumatic baffle to close it again and to stop the ice drop into this storage hopper. Is to ensure the aim accuracy. We come to the discharger. You can see that is a pneumatic piston stopper. So sometimes the ice will cross together when the weighing hopper release the ice, and maybe the ice will break down into several parts. To protect the ice, we need this stopper to prevent the ice crashing together. And you can see this is the air cylinder, is to control the stopper up and down. Now we come to this packing part. What we use is our VL420 model. The max film range it can be is up to 420 millimeters. It means the back base it can up to be 200 millimeters. This packing machine, what we use is a 4-servo drive. It consists of double servo drive for the film pulling and the single servo drive for the film loading, and the last servo drive is for the horizontal cylinders. There are many vertical bars on this platformer in material. Is to prevent the film slip off on the platformer. Later we came to this finished product conveyor. We also use the modular PP belt. We don't need to use the belt slipping problem. And later we came to this rotary table. It's a very large. The diameter is 1,500 millimeters, and it's to collect the finished product from this weigher, so worker can pick it up easily. Rotation speed is also adjustable, about 5 to 20 rounds per minute. Okay, that's all. Bye.